Welcome to the HTML course. Greetings to you all. I'm Jyoti Mandala, your guide, helping you in understanding the essential elements that define the backbone of every web page. In this video, we are going to explore how to use table tag to organize the data on your web pages. The table tag in HTML is used to create tables to display the data in rows and columns. An HTML table tag consists of one table element and one or more tr, th, and td elements, where tr element defines a table row, th element defines a table header, and td element defines a table cell or table data. All these tags are paired tags. Let's see an example. Observe the page. We have a table with 3 rows and 2 columns. Let's code to achieve this. Open the editor. Have the basic structure of your HTML document. Now include table tag in the body tag. In our example, we need to have 3 rows. That means create 3 tr and /tr sets. Now, all the cell values in each rows has to be added individually using td tag. In our example, we need to have 2 cell values for each row. Let's add them. First row, name td, td marks td. Second row, td Jyoti 25. Third row, td Mandala 22. That's all. Save this file. Open the file in the browser and you can see the output. But observe the first row in the table. It is not in bold. If you want to convert the first row as bold, you can do that by using th tag. Th tag defines the header cell and the text within th will be by default bold and center. Let's apply that. Let's change the first row, both the td tags to th. Save the file. Open in the browser. Now you can see the first row is in bold and center aligned. Hope you all have designed the same table along with me. Now Let's explore some attributes and styling options for table. You can use attributes like border, cell padding, cell spacing to control the appearance of your table. Border to specify the width of your table border. Cell padding to manage the space between the cell text and border. Cell spacing to manage the space between the cells. Let's see an example. Observe the earlier output. There is no border on the table. Let's make changes in the table. Table border equal to 1. Cell padding equal to 5. Cell spacing equal to 0. Save the file, refresh the page, and here how our table looks with these attributes applied. It's bit, it's bit more stylish and visually appealing. Sometimes you want to merge two or more rows or columns into one. Consider this example. Here, observe the section of Mandala and Rama is same, so the two rows are merged together. To achieve this merge option, we can use row span and col span. Row span to merge the rows and col span to merge the columns. Let's see how these attributes can be used. Observe in the program, we have 4 rows means 4 TR and TR sets are created. The TD of row 3 is added with row span of 2, which means from here 2 rows are to be merged. And the cell data will be aligned accordingly. Hope you all are clear. Same like row span, col span can be used to merge the rows. I will leave this for your practice. Now you can see the table is displayed on the left side of your page. This is called left alignment. If you want, you can change the alignment of your table by using the alignment attribute in the table tag. Align can have left, right, center. Left is the default value. Let's apply this in our example and let us use right align. Let us use center align. Refresh the page and now observe the table has been shifted to the center of your page. For some tags, the align attribute is deprecated in the HTML5 and style should be applied using CSS for better practices. That's it for our overview of your HTML table tag. With this powerful tool, you can organize and present data efficiently on your web pages. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding and remember the web is your canvas. Thank you.